This video was brought to you by the Jack L. Hill Lifelong Learning Center, located in the Norman F. Feldheim Central Branch of the San Bernardino Public Library. Please subscribe, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family.
Hello, and welcome to this Jack L. Hill Lifelong Learning Center tutorial. My name is Jesse Christian, and today I will be showing you how to make a spaghetti tower. You will need some uncooked spaghetti noodles and some marshmallows, preferably jumbo-sized. Let's start with the base of the tower. Grab 4 pieces of spaghetti and place them in the shape of a square. Now grab 4 marshmallows and place them in each corner of the square. You want to make sure each marshmallow is standing up vertically in order to give the tower more sturdiness. Now take one of the spaghetti noodles and skewer it into the marshmallow. Be sure to leave a little excess of the noodle protruding from the marshmallow on each side of the square. It may be a little difficult to press the noodles into the marshmallow due to overlapping, but that's okay. Just reposition and try again. Now that we have the base of our tower, we can now add on to the square and make a basic cube shape. Take 4 pieces of noodles and press them down into the tops of the marshmallows. These will act as our posts. Now let's make another square shape for the top part of the cube. Assembling the top of the cube may be a bit difficult to accomplish due to the flimsy geometric shape of the cube at the moment. Be sure to be careful and even ask for help if you are able to do so. Now that we have our cube, let's reinforce the stability of the cube by adding X's to each of the side faces. Take 2 pieces of noodles and crisscross them into the top and bottom marshmallows on each side of the cube, an X shape if you will. Triangles are a key shape to strengthen the tower. A triangle can remain upright and rigid. When we put in our X shapes in the side faces, we are creating several triangles. Objects are stable if the center of gravity is within the midpoint of the center. If an object leans so much that the center of gravity is outside the midpoint, the object will fall. Looking at our spaghetti tower, if the center of gravity is off too much, then your leaning tower of pasta will fall over. Now we are going to add another spaghetti noodle to each side of the cube to act as a type of support post for the roof of the tower. If any of the noodles fall out, just be sure to readjust it back into place. All objects have a center of gravity. That is the midpoint of an object's mass, where the whole construction is concentrated. I'm going to gently push my structure to the side for now. Let's make a simple square for the roof of our cube. Let's finish off the roof in the shape of a cone. Skewer the noodle diagonally into each of the remaining marshmallows. Let's grab one last marshmallow and place it at the top of our cube. I'm going to reinforce the cone shape by adding in one more additional noodle to act as a post for each side of the cone. I'm going to take the previous structure and put it in place. Now finally, I'm going to place the roof on top of the cube to complete the construction of our spaghetti tower. And our spaghetti tower is now finished. Leave a like if you've enjoyed and gained a lot from this tutorial. Subscribe for more tutorials and lessons from our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.